Now that our tea have rested for a few seconds, I'm just gonna go ahead, take my spoon again, and mix it so that the whole ingredients would incorporate together. And I will go ahead, take my cup, and lift my teapot like this. You want to make sure that you're pouring it from a little high point like this, because simply you want to form a foam on the surface of your cup. I'm going to put it back down there, shake it a little bit, and pour it back again. Now the foam that you see in the surface of your cup only proves that you have made a very nice tea. Now, you're my guest, please, I will serve you this cup so that you would feel relaxed and you would cleanse your soul after the beautiful experience that we had together. I hope that you have enjoyed my course and my lesson, and I can guarantee you that you'll have the best results ever. Have a great day, and thank you for joining me.